Haters getting mad because I got me a bathing ape. But enough about that. We've been sipping on that Jack Daniels. Decided to make a new video. No more of that blurry bullshit. We got a new camera. Fujifilm Finepix S4000. That's a 24mm wide-angle lens with 30 times optical zoom, 14 megapixel, and high-definition video record. I'm about to lose my f***ing mind! Motherfucking cameras! What you know about? It's about time. We're waiting 2.5 months for this sandwich. What you know about respecting bitches? What do we got for you today? We got 3 chickens that were once living. The not so secret ingredient. All this bacon. Coon cheese. We don't discriminate. We paid a visit to the Colonel. 2 original fillets and 2 zinger fillets. Got the gravy and other ingredients to make a tortilla.
First things first, hater. 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of lard. Mix that a little bit, and a cup of water. Mix that a little more. Rip that flesh from that dead animal. Muscles Glasses is an animal. Gotta let that sit for 10 minutes. Bacon slice. Bacon slice. Muscles Glasses on that simultaneous chicken cutting and Jack Daniels consumption. Next level refreshment maneuver. Well, what do you know? It's been 10 minutes. Flouring up that bench to prepare it for the dough. Rolling out that dough like a pro. Yo, drippin' that gravy. We make it rain cheese. With hail the size of chicken pieces, sizzling that bacon. No sign of that rain clearing up. What up, KFC? What up, bacon? Drippin' that gravy. This cheese storm ain't ended. Making sure this motherfucker's gonna wrap. Drippin' that gravy. Maximum teamwork. Hey, that's pretty chill. Need some bacon strips, and 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 bacon strips. This motherfucker don't even fit in the oven. But hater, we made it fit. Almost dropping the tray. Muscles needs more time at the gym. Fucking beautiful.
We got our big ass bacon joint filled with chicken, bacon, cheese, and gravy. And we got our bacon nachos. Too big to pick up. So we're just gonna shovel this into his mouth. Next time, we have Osama bin Laden's porn collection.